Now I want to show you a feature that will help you with the publishing stage. You've already exported, you've got your export complete dialog up, and you may have noticed in previous versions that there was an expert tip below there. That tip is specific to your document and gives you something that might help, but now I've gone a lot further with specific help about the document you're exporting. How do you get to that help? Check out the What Do I Do Now button at the bottom. All you have to do is click that and it'll take you out to a page. This page takes in a bunch of the settings that you used and gives you specific instructions. So it gives you a list of articles that you can choose, gives you video courses that will help, like if you're going to publish it, here's a free course on getting it on your own website. And then some frequently asked questions. Maybe you tried to upload it, but the images are missing. Well, we've got that frequently asked question down here. And each of these things will change based on the setup you're using. Because I exported with a flipbook, I'm getting flipbook related info. Now if I change my settings, for instance, if I were exporting an app, I would get app specific suggestions here. So as you can see, the What Do I Do Now button is a great way to get all the way to the finish line with very specific information about what you need to do to get published and get your content in the hands of clients or readers, whoever you're trying to reach.